Greetings, my Kung Fu compadres. This is Hong Long from Hong Long Wuxia, and welcome to the next edition of Kung Fu Basics. All right, today we're going to finish up where we left off last time with the form that we're going over, which, by the way, I've been told I didn't mention the name of it. It is the Strike of the Spinning Stork, and we will be done with it today. So let's get at it, shall we? But first, make sure you hit that like button down below. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for notifications if you haven't already, and be sure and share with your friends and family on your social media platforms. All right, let's get to it, shall we?
I'm gonna go over once what we've done so far, and then we'll go over the new stuff. We'll do it from a few different angles, and then we will go over everything from a few different angles. All right, let's start by going over what we went over last time. So from here, we're going to double hit and kick, plant, side thrust, reverse beak, palm strike, block the head or block the temple, pivot, elbow strike, block up, palm strike, grab, mantis kick, plant, elbow, crane stance, strike out, side hand strike, step back, block up, beak down. Now from here, we're going to pivot into a bow to the left, and we're going to step out with the right leg as we're going to come in with our ridge hands like so. From here, we're going to step back as we strike with the ridge hands coming out. Now from here, we're going to step forward with our left foot, striking like so with the ridge hands, and then from here we'll block up, step, strike with the side hands. From here we're going to turn, blocking up, and we're going to do a reverse bird beak back as we step. Then we're going to step, but this time we're going to cover this time our right hand's going to cover as we strike out, and we reverse bird beak back with the left hand. Now from here, we're going to spin again, turn, and we're going to finger thrust down, like so. From here, we're going to front snap kick, and then we're going, without putting our foot down, we're going to side thrust to the knee, then we're going to set down, trapping with the left hand, striking with the right. Now from here we're going to grab, and it's going to be a roundhouse, but it's a sweep. We're going to do a sweep, but it's a roundhouse. So instead of coming around like so, we're going to come in like so. Sweep. Then from here, we're going to grab, palm strike low, grab, palm strike low, and bow, and you're done. So from last time, double hit, kick, plant, side thrust, beak back, block, strike, turn, elbow, block up, strike, grab, mantis, elbow, strike out, step back, block up, beak down. We're going to turn, and we're going to strike with ridge hands, this part of our hand, striking out. Then we're going to step back, striking with the ridge hands this way. Then we're going to step forward, striking with the ridge hands, and then we're going to block up as we step, and striking out with the side hands into a bow stance. Now from here, we're going to turn, and we're going to block up the temple, and we're going to reverse beat back. Then from here, we're going to take our right hand and block our left temple, stepping out and beaking with this. From here, turn 90 degrees, Stepping up into crane / stork, finger thrust down, front snap kick, side kick, trap with the left hand. As we strike to the face, we're going to grab and we're going to sweep. And this sweep is basically a roundhouse, except it's all down here. And you're going to be trying to catch him behind his. It's hard to do it on myself. You'll be catching behind the heel here. You'll be catching behind the heel here. So sweep. Then we're going to trap and strike. Trap and strike. Step up and bow, and you are done. All right, so a couple times from here, we're going to ridge hand as we step. Ridge hand as we step back. Ridge hand as we step forward. Block up. Strike. Turn, block. Eek. Eek. Strike. Strike. Kick. Kick. Trap. Strike. Sweep. Strike. Strike. And down. From this angle. Strike. 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 Block up. Strike. 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 Kick. Kick. Strike. Blocking up, striking. Strike. Strike. Alright, now let's try the whole thing all the way through from all 4 different angles. Here we're going to bow. step out and kick. Alright, from this side. Alright, from this side. And from the reverse angle. Finally, from here. That's it for this edition of Kung Fu Basics, episode number 5. Make sure you keep practicing. What we'll do every time we do a Kung Fu Basics episode, for at least the next couple ones, we shall do the short form right at the beginning. It takes like about 40 seconds. So that way everybody will be able to keep remember. That way it will help keep it fresh in your memory, and hopefully you'll be practicing along with me. So until next time, everybody, make sure you hit those buttons down below and keep practicing.